We are going to be really weird in this video. I'm going to be carrying her. I'm going to be making her fly.
But we can't do a long time.
No.
Because my iPod is limited. Move over this way. Let me get you a picture of crying. No, wait. No, that's not that. That's
No, because we fell you on the couch.
Oh, get me higher.
Why? To last longer?
Yeah. Oh. Nice. Do you like the view?
Oh, yes.
Ready?
Okay.
Jump.
And then...
Ready?
Oh.
Yeah, it worked. It's on the couch. Let me just move it over a little bit, just a tad bit. That way if they fall, if I actually do fall, as you can see me fall on the couch and on the floor.
This is a good seat for you.
Oh, no.
Alright, give me a holler when you want me to shut it off.
Still can't see.
Wait, let me get ready.
So then I move it this way.
Oh!
Come on. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that was safe. No, I didn't hear it falling hard on me.
She fell down the couch. I'm sure she didn't come hit me. Like I'm going to
That was awesome. That was awesome.
I kind of wish that happened to me.
Go back over there a little bit more.
Yeah.
And if I fall, like just move us far away. Like
As far away as I could.
how
I
they did.
rolled.
I want them to see, but they can't like see because like. Can they see the couch? No. Ready?
Wait,
And move not the couch over.